you can see it, but that's the spider that, what is that? It looks like it's a little orange and brown and black that's weaving a web. I have different type of spiders. It could be a baby wolf spider, I don't know. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not. I tried to do a close-up, but it's like a ghost. But it's brownish, yellowish, black. I don't know. I'm still out here chilling with the cats as the plane's flying through. We're in the sun. Gal in her nature walks and her nature talks. I guess I really am the one.